the Ronin X Carey litter. They'll be 6 weeks old tomorrow. We're out enjoying the sunshine finally.
One day.
For a couple hours of one day this week. Got some toys out to see if it sparks any interest with anyone, but doesn't matter if it does or it doesn't. It's all. So again, this litter is 8 girls. I could not tell you which one was which one. I can tell you that this is Kobe, the one boy. Ha! Oh, thank you, Big Daddy. Oh, thank you. He's so handsome. And then cute sable girl. This is the F litter, except for Kobe. Hey, don't bite her. That's rude. All right, come on, guys. Hey, don't lick my boots. They're gross. Find the toys. Hi, mummies. Yeah. Yes, that's Kobe. Kobe got a toy. Good job, Kobe. Are you guys gonna, oh, you got the toy? Come here, big mama. Oh, a little tug of war, that's fun. Look, anybody want the monkey? You need the monkey, sweetheart? Good job. Everybody, you guys got toy. Oh, good girl. Good girl.
Oh, now we have a squirrel.
Get that ball. Get it. Oh, where are you guys taking my toys? Come on, bring my toys back. Good job. Good job.
Yeah, most of them are.
Hey. Oh, you're so sweet, girl. Hi, sweetheart. Nice tug of war going. Good job, Mama. Get that ball. That is adorable. Right? So this is their first ever time playing with toys. Hi, guys. Oh yeah, you got good hand drive already, huh? Oh, that is Kobe. Hey, your face is already darker. Okay, all right. Let's get the shark. How about the shark? You want the shark? This one might be too thick, too firm. Oh, Kobe says it's good. Oh, thank you for the kisses. Oh, thank you. What you got, Mama? Bring. Yes, bring yourself, but also the toy. Hi, big girl. Yeah, huh? This is what we're up to at almost 6 weeks old. Lots of starting drive. Huh? Lots of toy drive, yes. Lots of love drive. Lots of... and just silly antics. Huh? Hey, hey, no fighting. That's rude. Yeah. Say see you next week, guys. Oh, you got the ball. Good girl. Oh, thank you.